seachtain seo táimid ag fécint an bríthar tar, which means to come. And the theme of our spellings is taistil, transportation. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar na bhrialta. An aimsir caite, tháinig mé, I came, tháinig tú, you came, tháinig sé, he came, tháinig she came, thanga mar, we came, tháinig sibh, he came, tháinig siad, they came. Tháinig, níor tháinig. An aimsir láithreach, tagam, I come, tagan tú, you come, tagan sé, he comes, tagan she comes, tagamid, we come, tagan sibh, ye come, tagan siad, they come, an dagan, ní hagan. An aimsir áisteanach, Chucky mé, I will come, Chucky tú, you will come, Chucky sé, he will come, Chucky she will come, Chuckamid, we will come, Chucky sibh, ye will come, Chucky siad, they will come, an jucky, ní hiucky. An bus, the bus, an car, the car, an train, the train. An tothar car, the ambulance, an teitleán, the aeroplane, an lung, the ship. Na Gardaí, the guards, an taxi, the taxi, an mrigoid dóiteáin, the fire brigade. Structure oberta. So as always, we start with the verb tar, followed by either the ábhar or an taistil, the mode taistil, and followed by the time Mar hampla, tháinig an bus ag a 3:00. The bus came at 3:00. Tagan na Gardaí agus an tothar car. The Gardaí and ambulance came. Chucky Paul an train amárach. Paul will come on the train tomorrow. Agus tá mé déanta, we're done.